That can't be Trokiando. What? Wanda. This is something small.
Yeah, badass.
That's not bad, though. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
I guess a good turnout.
Oh, it's because of you guys.
Ya put it together. Ya put it together. Shout out to los vatos aquí de Hazardous Trucking. Put the little truck meet together here at Lowry Park. We're gonna walk around right now and check out the whips. Check out the Denver, Colorado scene. A lot of badass trucks. Mira, that look familiar right there.
Damn. Memories, bro.
Yeah, you want to be in the vlog or not? That one, the lowest Tahoe, that's it? Lowest Tahoe.
One static Loho on Instagram and TikTok. Ahí vamos. Mira,
¿Qué onda, bro?
mi amigo Juan. Este es el presidente.
¿Qué onda, bro?
¿Cómo anda?
¿Qué video? Bien, bien.
Ángel,
Juan,
al orden ahí para lo que guste.
igualmente, muchas gracias.
¿Cómo estuvo el camino?
Largo, como
18 horas, ¿no?
18 horas nos quedamos, ¿verdad? Más o menos, 18 horas.
Mira, güey.
Was that one the seal?
30s.
30s?
We had to do rainbow breaks porque ya no agarraban los regulares, güey.
Sí.
Because of all the jobs.
Este, el CEO, no, este no es el CEO, ¿verdad? Aquí el
No.
presidente aquí.
No, el del presidente aquí lo tienen ahorita en el shop.
En el
todavía.
shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, ese es one of the members from Hazardous.
He's one of
It was done
them.
by Fat on 30s, 4 Giados. This thing is crazy.
Yeah.
Speaks from the tailgate.
They're barely doing that. They're arreglando eso. They're doing a custom box interior and everything too.
Es mamalona.
And then I'm gonna show you guys. This is the lowest Tahoe that there is on static, and it has the loudest bass.
See? That's static drop, boy. That's freaking low. What does it got? 22, 24?
You got 22s, right?
Yeah.
You got deuces?
¿De qué? ¿De rines?
Yeah.
Fours.
24s? 24s
Yeah,
on a
24.
static drop, bro. On a Tahoe.
That's just crazy, bro. That's just static. Up in there. Get closer. I want you guys to.
A ver.
Super. You claim you got it. You sell crack, wearing new shoes, got my belt low, man. All these bitches.
That's fucking loud, boy. That's fucking loud. It bangs, bro. It bangs. What you got?
Tengo 4 Sky Audio VXF 12s on the RP 4500.
So 412s.
412s.
A ver, vamos a ver. Ahora sentí el pinche, se me salió el alma.
We're still doing it. This is the box they made, pero vamos a cambiar todo. We're gonna do a complete wall.
Okay.
We're gonna go to
Papá.
18s
Hijos.
with the JP83, pero ahorita this is what we got for now.
That's a big ass box, man.
Sí.
Pega con madre. Pega chingón. So loudest truck, the loudest and the lowest SUV.
Ahí vamos all static.
Static.
Sí.
On static.
Damn, bro. Loho.
Sí. Aquí está el Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah. You guys check them out on TikTok and Instagram. Give them a follow. That's dope, güey. Está chingón.
Appreciate it, bro.
Chingón. Ahora quiero algo así para la de Nali. Sí. Ah, está chingona, güey.
Appreciate it.
So what is it sitting on? What is it, like a drop?
Well, right now andamos como un 7/8, pero quiero ir lower de atrás, pero
Okay.
vamos ahorita, we're gonna relocate the shocks. Hicimos todo el suspension apenas a month ago.
Okay.
So I'm gonna find some better shocks, but ahorita they're kind of compressed all the way.
Okay.
Sí. Y
So-
luego lo mandar for paint correction, todo eso.
So 7, 8 you said?
Simón. Sí.
Damn. You gotta do any framework atrás?
Sí, it tiene C-notch. It's a lot of Tohos. A lot of Tohos don't have them. It took a while to find someone to do it,
Yeah.
but see, it's actually C-notch.
Okay. Está con madre.
Sí.
It's badass, güey. You don't see this shit every day.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you don't see that shit
That's
every day.
like trying kind of kept it different, you know. Todo
Yeah.
tengo las trocas. I was like, you know what? Tengo el Tahoe. A ver what I can do with it.
Y luego los pinches test, güey, todavía los tres puestos.
Sí, I'm too short. I still gotta use them.
Ah, pinche tal, güey. Está con madre.
This is clean. I like the color, dude.
Yeah, this bitch is badass. Is this paint or wrap?
No, it's paint.
It's paint?
Pero lo hicieron paint con Abel. Hace, I think, unos 2 months ago, 2, 3.
Este para color. ¿De quién es esta?
De Juan, ahí anda.
Da la vuelta por ahí.
Allá, sí. Ahorita
okay.
viene.
Ok. Ah, está chingona esta. Es una bag, ¿no?
Yeah, all bag.
The steps, you can't go wrong with the steps, eh? I mean, we just gave out a step side. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong.
A ver qué le cambió. Nada, Reds. Se mira igualita.
Se mira más chula.
Eh.
Damn, güey. TKOG2. Aquí anda también. There's some big plans coming up for this truck too, guys. So if y'all don't follow my boy Ivan, he won the truck. También de Houston se vino para Denver. TKOG2. He's had some little upgrades he's gonna be doing to the truck. I'll put his Instagram right here. Make sure you guys check him out. Stay tuned with those updates. Let us know la raza que you got some little plans for it. Alright, some changes.
Changes are coming soon.
Yeah. So,
If you need to, turn it on, just so you can feel it again.
otra
Prende las
vez.
llaves.
It's been a while. We haven't seen this truck in what, 2 years?
2 years?
Como 2 años, ¿no?
2021.
2021.
Igualita, güey. Con madre. This is my favorite one.
Can't say that, bro.
Mute that out, bro. Mute that out.
This one's my.
You didn't mess with the exhaust?
Not yet.
No?
It's the altitude.
I completely forgot how it sounded. Yeah. Hey, güey. Te rifaste con esta troca, güey. ¿Y con cuánto te lo ganaste, güey?
57 bucks, bro.
57
Test your
bucks,
luck.
man. 57 bucks got on this badass truck. George got the other truck también for about 200 bucks. Se gastó un poquito más, pero pues, you know, le caló la suerte and he won it. You just never know. Shout out to my boy Ivan here from Denver, Colorado, and for the team at Hazardous Trucking for putting all this together. All last minute, I hit him up last week. I said, hey, nos vamos a echar la vuelta. We're gonna go deliver the TKOG5. Said, I got you. Vénganse, put everything together and just make it happen. Y aquí andamos. Set up. We got the badass trucks. Nos invitó a comer. We went to his house. Hey, wait. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Sin ustedes no estuviera aquí. So, la mera neta es gracias a ustedes.
Paso andamos. Me veo picho ya. Llega y se va gente, ¿verdad?
Llegan y se van. Y empiezan a llegar más y se van.
Sí.
It's a routine, pues.
Well, the baddest thing is no one's burning out. Everyone's just parking and chilling, which that's what it's about. You can't do this in Houston. That way, you try to do a park and chill, and everyone starts burning out.
No, don't worry. Aquí de repente también se vienen y se agarran, pero you just gotta control.
So let's keep walking around, check out the whips, and see what's out there. Show you a little bit of the Denver, Colorado truck scene.
Llevo andar esperándote.
we just turned this truck in, and now he's out here at the meet here in Denver. And we're gonna have both trucks, TKOG5, TKOG2, side to side. Una foto, 2 giveaway trucks that came to Denver. Fucking badass. Boy G, we're out here rocking the LV, Louis Vuitton, shades, 500. Shit, I got that Louis Vuitton, bro. Where else, bro? Louis Vuitton, look at them. Zoom in. Take a closer look. Take a look.
Why does that say Louis?
Hey man, what you talking about? He's real, bro. I don't do that fake shit. He's the real shit.
What them shoes? They fake?
Maybe. But we don't talk about the shoes, we talk about shades.